Hello my fellow coders, welcome back to ThinkInCode, and today we are going to build a simple word counters for beginner in Python. So let's get started. Defining a main function here, then we are going to print a welcome message. Welcome to the word counter. And then we are going to take an input from the user for the text they want to count. Next, we need to show them the menu. To show the menu, we are going to make a new function called showMenu. And here we are going to print counter, and this will be our menu starting line, and then let's print the option count words, but exit will be 0. Now that we have made the show menu function, we are going to use a loop to continuously run this program until the user hits 0 and we exit the program. So menu. So now we have shown them the menu. We have to give them our choice. Int input, enter your choice. So they can choose 0 to 4. So let's start with exit because that's the first and easiest one to do. Choice equals to 0. Print bye-bye. And then we break the loop. Now elif choice equals to 1. What do we have here? Count words. For now, we are going to write pass here because this helps us write more codes underneath. If we don't have pass and if we write another code, it will just give us an error. As you can see, it gives us an error. Pass will just help us write codes below when we don't know the actual inner working of the function. So let's make for pass and pass. And then if we have else, we're going to print invalid choice, print try again. Next, we are going to do if choice 1, counting words. So we are going to write a new function for counting words, count words. And this time around, we are going to pass a parameter for this, words equals to text.split. Now, what does this do? If you have something like my name is John, this will turn this into my name is John. This is a list. This is a basic list. And we are just going to return the length of the list. Return len words. So len will return the number of element in the list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time you do dot split, it will split the whole string using the gaps or the spaces in between. As you can see, my space became comma. So that's how we use split. And after we had that, let's print total words. And then we are going to use that count words function and then pass text as an argument. The text we took from here, right here. That way we can count the words and give them the return value. Now next, for true number, we have count characters. We're going to count all the characters in the text. This is very simple. We just need to return length of the text. And that's that simple. So we are going to print total characters, count characters, and text as an argument. Now next we have number 3. Number 3, what does number 3 do? It reverses the text. And it's very simple. I think I showed you just in the previous video how to do it. Reverse words, text, and we are going to reverse words. We fix the word and then return text -1. For those who have watched the previous video, they know exactly how this reverses the text. So if you haven't, go back and watch it. And reverse word should be renamed to reverse text. Let's print reverse text and argument as text. And for choice 4, we have enter a new text. And this time we do not need a function for this. All we have to do is just copy this, put it here, enter a new sentence, and then we are going to do print text has been updated, and then we're going to show them the new text. It's so simple when you do it with functions. First, it could look like so daunting. We have to do all these things, but at the end, after we did it by one, it just became so much easier. It was like very easy. In the complex systems as well that we're going to build in the future, all you need to do is think of one problem at a time. Okay, this step, then this step, then this step. Breaking down each of them into smaller steps will help you a lot during coding and programming, and that is the right mind to think in code. Now let's run. So can you guess what the problem is? Why we did not get anything here? Because we have written this in the main function and we have not initialized that main function. So we have to initialize that main function. So here we're just going to do main, and after we run this, see, we got it. Enter a new text. Give me a second. I'm going to be right back after copying a Wikipedia text. So I just copied a whole paragraph of Python from Wikipedia and we're just going to run this. And now we are going to count all the words they have in this specific text. So we have 38 words in this whole fiasco, right? We have 34 words. Next will be counting words. Let's count how many words. I think there are a lot of words. They have 350 words here. And next, let's reverse the whole thing. See? We have the reverse text right here. Now next, we're going to change the text. Let's change the text and check if this actually works. My name is John Doe. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, right? Let's count this. Correct. We have 5 words. Now let's count the characters. We have 19 characters in this specific name or sentence. Next, let's reverse the whole thing. See, we have reversed it. Now let's exit the program. Let's check if we can exit the program. Voila. Bye-bye. So that is it for today. We just built a counter app, which is freaking awesome. And next, we are going to start with list and list operations. Please stay tuned for it. Don't forget to bookmark the playlist and subscribe the channel for the new video updates. And comment down below if I have to change anything at all. I'm always reading the comments, even if there are none. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding, keep coding.